Hi, my name is Dhruv Aiyer and I am a part of the 2-year integrated program at Champions. So my study has actually improved since that of 10th grade and I have been able to study for longer hours and be more productive than before. Teaching at Champions is very good. The way they teach us helps us understand the concept, and also any doubts which are actually coming into the students' minds are cleared at this very instant. The Abhyas system is also very helpful, as they have a system where you can see which questions are being done well by you, and which, if you have a doubt, you can mark that question, and if you are doing a future revision, you can see that you had a doubt in that question and how you have improved from that point. Honestly, before joining Champions, my difficult subject was maths, because I used to have a bit of a problem in the solving and I used to not get the click of what this question has to be done or how it has to be done. After joining Champions, I started to do more questions because of the questions which were suggested by the faculty, and because of that I was able to improve my maths solving skills. My favorite subject is physics, and my favorite faculty at Champions is Somin sir, because the way he teaches helps us understand the concept, and any doubt which is there is actually clear at the very instant it comes up. Yes, I would recommend Champions to my friends and all my family members, because the faculty is excellent and the way they treat the student is also very good. So I have also recommended it to one of my family members who wants to do engineering in the future.